Raise DC uses data to shine a spotlight really on the education and workforce goals that we have on a citywide basis. Really to say, here are areas where we can be making improvements and here are areas where we're on the right track, and to continue supporting that work. What we're particularly excited about in the Raise DC Data Spotlight Awards is that we're looking at creative ways that data can be used to improve educational outcomes, and all of our awardees have figured out new and interesting ways to say, not only here's data that proves our impact, but here's data that we can use to improve our impact. This was a great opportunity given to us by the Office of the State Superintendent to say, let's look at where people are actually using data and are actually making those steps themselves and award that work.
Raise DC is doing really important work here, and I was encouraged by the applications they received for this award because there is so much collaboration happening across agencies.
We have a vibrant network of nonprofits and educational institutions tackling some serious educational problems. And they are doing it at all parts of the educational spectrum, from focusing on college and career readiness to focusing on readiness for school and reading proficiency at the early grades.
A recent initiative actually has OSSI pushing out data, individualized student data, back out to the nonprofits that are serving those kids. So it makes those nonprofits much more effective in the work that they're doing with their kids as they're able to access that OSSI data about those students.
I think the transparency of data in the district right now enables every stakeholder to make the decisions they need about what's best for children.
It's helping to figure out where resources should be best allocated to help the students in need, and then as well looking into these educational outcomes and tracking what's going well in the classroom and where that can be applied broadly in DC.
Awards programs like the DC Data Spotlights can really help elevate and set examples for other organizations who are really hoping to do more of the same.
I'm so excited to be able to congratulate the winners of these awards for the fantastic work they are doing. I think what's so exciting about these awards are that we're able to look for really promising and innovative practices and highlight those so that others can learn from them. And I see us at OSSI trying to ensure that people have the data and information they need to make those decisions on a daily basis.